All right, we have a deal.
Yes, we do.
The Rosso Corsa paint is extremely faded, and the body remain heavily rusted and damaged. We're only removing the mud and grease for now.
Gently working the brush into the vents here, lifting away years of dust. The microfiber towel will pick up the rest from the console.
This is the initial wash. We're removing the heavy mud, revealing the extremely faded Rosso Corsa paint and extensive structural damage underneath.
Look at the oxidation on the hood now that it's clean.
Yeah, we have our work cut out for us. The rust is worse than I thought.
The Ferrari 458 Spider still has its original extremely faded Rosso Corsa red exterior paint, now clean. Using the precision tools, we disconnect the aged wiring before carefully lifting the leather buckets onto the cart. We begin by meticulously cleaning every oil gallery with specialized brushes and compressed air. Then,
This fine media gently removes the oxidation without harming the factory casting.
the HVLP spray gun delivers a flawless application, transforming the silver into a deep, mirror-like gloss. The Ferrari 458 Spider's bare shell retains its faded Rosso Corsa paint, while the rebuilt silver engine awaits. Every seam must match the factory specifications exactly before we begin stitching. Only the bare body shell remains. This step focuses exclusively on rust removal and metal body restoration. No primer or paint is applied yet.
We're focusing on surface preparation here in part 12. The high build primer has been block sanded, and now we're just refining the details by hand.
This continuity note focuses on rebuilding the cabin with the restored black leather interior with red stitching.
Reconnecting the electrical controls, then we secure the center fastener using the calibrated torque wrench.
On rebuilding the cabin with the restored black leather interior with red stitching.
This part focuses exclusively on rebuilding the cabin with the restored black leather interior with red stitching.
This part focuses exclusively on rebuilding the cabin with the restored black leather interior with red stitching.
Gently applying the leather conditioner now, making sure to work it into the precise red stitching. Look at that satin finish.
This part focuses exclusively on rebuilding the cabin with the restored black leather interior with red stitching. We're carefully securing the fasteners now, ensuring those factory gaps are precise. This part covers installation of the engine, cooling system, battery, wiring, fuel system, exhaust, fluids, and first controlled engine startup.
Easy now, just a few more millimeters up.
Watch the wiring harness on your side. We're almost there.
This part covers installation of the engine, cooling system, battery, wiring, fuel system, exhaust, fluids, and first controlled engine startup.
New battery into the compartment, then secure the retaining bracket. We carefully introduce the fresh engine oil, followed by the specified coolant mixture, ensuring precise level.
Ignition sequence initiated, and we have a successful cold start.
This Rosso Corsa paintwork is immaculate. We use a rich foam to safely remove any surface contaminants before the final rinse.
We are now applying the final comprehensive paint correction stage, removing the remaining micro marring and haze.
The Rosso Corsa paint is now flawless. We're applying a professional grade ceramic coating for unmatched gloss and protection.
We use precise, controlled wiping techniques to ensure absolutely no residue remains. The clarity has to be flawless. Inspection complete. Panel gaps are factory spec. The finish is absolutely perfect, Concours level. The Rosso Corsa paintwork is flawless. All systems are green. Approved for showcase and road test. Witness the culmination of a meticulous restoration. The Ferrari 458 Spider, finished in flawless. The Ferrari 458 Spider, completely restored and fully operational. Flawless deep Rosso Corsa red paint and immaculate black leather interior.
After a restoration like that, there's nothing quite like this feeling. Absolutely flawless.
After months of meticulous work, the restoration is finally complete. The iconic 458 Spider, reborn.
This is the Ferrari 458 Spider, completely restored and fully operational. Flawless Rosso Corsa red paint.